Now we need to activate the license. As you see here, first of all, you need your account, which will be associated with the license. So, evaluation license, you need to log in with your account which used in FortiCloud. In my case, which with the same password. And click OK. So at FortiGate, we've activated the license in automatic. But before, let's see the license. So if you go here and get system status, as you see here, our FortiGate license status invalid, which we need to do now. Click OK. Updating the license will cause the system to reboot. Do you want to continue? Okay, yes. You need to wait. As you see here, license download successful. System rebooting. Please wait while the system reboots. It's very easy. With FortiCloud, we just need to use the same account in FortiGate. We go back here and refresh our account in FortiCloud. As you see here, now I have two products, FortiAnalyzer VM and FortiGate VM trial, which will be installed in our FortiGate in GNS3. Wait while the system reboots. Okay. And yeah, admin org. Perfect. So FortiGate setup. Begin. Migrate config with FortiConverter. Later. So now save and continues this basic configuration. So go here. I know. Okay. Later. And we have done. We have installed FortiGate in GNS3 and we activated the license to create our labs. So click OK. As you see here, this is the dashboard of FortiGate. As you see here, firmware is 7.4.11. License, this our license. File settings, remove machines. So we are now ready to create our labs. In the next lessons, we will use and we will see together this dashboard. We can click here in command line interface console, as you see here, and make the same command. So get system status. As you see here, serial number, this is the serial number. License status is valid now, so we can click. So execute ping 8.8.8. Our FortiGate is able to ping Google. Perfect. We can here change the host name like settings. Let's change the host name. FCA Labs. Okay. So, to see, this is FCA Labs. Where you see we changed the host name or FortiGate. Okay, so next lessons we start to create our simulation for FCA certification.